Hey guys, Apple has just released iOS 10.2 to the public worldwide, and it has released one exclusive feature to India, and that is SOS. So in this video, let us see how it works. So to do that, first let us open settings. Then you go to general. Here it is. And now there is your emergency SOS setting. When you open it, you have several settings inside. And the first setting that we see is click, sleep or wake to auto call. So if I switch off this button and I lock my phone and I press it 3 times, there I see emergency SOS light bar. Now let us see if I switch on this button and if I lock my phone, and again if I tap 3 times my lock button, let us see what happens. So there this your emergency SOS countdown starts. So this is how this setting works. Now let's see what other options are available. Now the second option that we see is countdown sound, and if it is enabled, it will give you a countdown sound while emergency SOS is on, and if it is off, it would be muted. And the next option is click, sleep or wake, so 3 times or 5 times depending on your preference. And the next option is emergency contact. So this you can set up in your health app, and there is a shortcut that they have given to set up your emergency contacts. So you just have to click this open health button, so it will open your health app, and here you can set up your emergency contacts who would be notified when the emergency SOS is running. And press this edit to update your contacts and to update your details. Here you have different options, like you can update your name, and you can set up your birth date and several more options. Now if you scroll down and if you come till end, here are the options for the contacts, and these are the contacts that you can set up for the emergency purpose. And I have set up contact as A and B just for a demo purpose, and you can set up as per your preference. Now let us just close it and go back to SOS settings again, and these are the 3 emergency contacts that we just set up in health app. Now I'll just put this sound on and let us see how this works. So I'll press sleep button 3 times, and here it goes, emergency SOS. This is counting, and now it is calling an emergency number. So I'll just cancel it, and now the next step what it does is it notifies your contacts that we just set up in health app. So I'll just cancel it now, and let's see what it does. It opens your emergency contacts again. So I'll just press done and I'll unlock the phone. So that is how your emergency SOS works. And if you don't want to send your location to your emergency contacts, there is one more setting. You can go to privacy and location services and scroll down till the end, and system services, and here is your emergency SOS. If you switch this toggle off, your emergency contacts would not get your location, so you can switch it off or on based on your preference. And if you want to read more about SOS, you can go back again to emergency SOS and scroll down, and at the end there's a link where Apple has given some more information about this emergency SOS. You can read that too. So this was a short tutorial, or you can say a smart insight of how emergency SOS works. So hope you guys like it and hope it helps you. Thank you for watching.